Understanding Rebuilding Efforts, a guide to resilience and recovery. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's both powerful and hopeful: rebuilding efforts. Whether it's in the news, literature, or casual conversation, this term carries a lot of weight. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, use, and significance, making it easier for you to understand and use it in your English conversations. Let's get started. Rebuilding efforts is a compound noun, comprising two key words, rebuilding and efforts. To rebuild means to construct something again that has been damaged or destroyed. Efforts refer to the physical or mental activities needed to achieve something. When combined, these words signify the activities undertaken to restore, repair, or improve something that has been damaged or adversely affected. This term is commonly used in various scenarios, ranging from natural disasters to economic downturns or personal recovery from loss or failure. For example, after a hurricane, the rebuilding efforts might include repairing homes, restoring power, and helping communities recover. Economically, a country might undertake rebuilding efforts to bounce back from a recession, involving stimulus packages or job creation programs. On a personal level, someone might talk about rebuilding efforts in their life after a significant setback, like the loss of a job or the end of a relationship. Understanding and using the phrase, rebuilding efforts, is important because it reflects resilience, hope, and the commitment to recovery. It's a term that connects deeply with the human experience of overcoming challenges. By learning how to use it in context, you're not only expanding your vocabulary but also your ability to engage in meaningful conversations about recovery, growth, and resilience. We hope this exploration of rebuilding efforts has illuminated its meaning and importance. Whether you encounter this phrase in the news, literature, or in conversations, you're now equipped to understand and use it effectively. Remember, language is a powerful tool for connecting with others and expressing complex ideas. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you on your English learning journey in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.